I wanted to give a quick shout out to some of my favorite products, not sponsored, but these things really do help me keep my house clean.
A Zevo is a non-negotiable in our house.
By the way, has anyone else heard this term? It kind of drives me crazy, especially this toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know how I lived in a house without one of these. All right, so this is a mess we are going to clean up today. You guys want to see the fullness of the mess, so I'm gonna show you guys. The kids just had tuna and crackers, and I told them as long as they were in the kitchen, it was fine. So I'm gonna sweep this up because they were at the table, then they kept getting off of the table, and yeah, so we're gonna tidy this up. And I also just started some craftings, so that is everywhere as well. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that up. Here's one of my 5-year-olds picture she just drew. It's somewhere in between a superhero, and I think she said that was a cat. I'm not really sure. I also think today I'm going to, excuse me. I think today I'm going to clean out this, 3 sneezes, goodness gracious. I'm going to clean out this trash area. This is where our trash bin goes. All right, the kitchen is picked up. Now I'm just gonna get the crumbs off the table.
To keep paint on the wall, hope in my hands, turning little moments into bigger plans. Every brush stroke tells my story. That's today, tomorrow's glory. I don't need perfect, I just need progress. Small little wins add up to success. Room by room, watch me shine. A better home's a state of mind. We're making space for brighter days, sweeping all the doubt away. Color on the wall, light in my soul. Piece by piece, I'm feeling whole. Clean it up, lift it high, watch these dreams come alive. Every little change I make is another chance I'm gonna take. Woo! Music up and worries down, turning chaos all around. Rolling paint and folding clothes.
All right, the kitchen is picked up. I can wipe down the countertops now. All the trash and food and everything is off the tables so that I can wipe everything down. I need to unload the dishwasher. It is working right now. Got a couple bowls to put in there. I'm gonna clean out my sink. And that's about it right now. Could probably get some fingerprints off of my appliances, but I'm not really that worried about that right now. And then we'll move on to this area. Things are staying pretty tighty over here. Grateful for that. And it is time for one of my favorite caffeinated beverages, the apple crisp from Bloom. This thing literally tastes like an apple with sparkling bubblies, 1 gram of carbs, 0 fat, 10 calories. You know, obviously not the best thing you can have, but not the worst. So she gonna do the trick, and I'm gonna get me some Bible reading in and we're just gonna have a little bit of sound mind moment because my brain is racing today. So something I read that was really, really good is talks about controlling the tongue. And I think we all can learn from that. But it talks about a tiny spark can set a great forest on fire. And the tongue is a flame of fire. And I just thought that was so interesting because it says people can tame all sorts of animals, birds, reptiles, fish, but nobody can tame the tongue. And it's just so true. And I think it's so important that we, as Christians, try to control our tongue and to only speak when we have something that is going to bear fruit, that is going to come out and be edifying to somebody, or speaking truth is just so important. So let's clean out this. Is she in there with him? That was very thoughtful. Well, what are you working on in your room? Show you guys the before
Can you show me?
and then show you guys the after.
Can you show
Tyler wants to show you guys his creations he's been working on.
all by myself?
Those are so cool, Tyler. And what exactly are they?
Well, they're old jets. This is a Spider-Mobile. It will run. Well, that one just broke a little bit. Well, it will run. As you can see, it has the spider legs. And then it will jump, and then the legs will go in, and then they'll fly.
That's
And
so
when
cool.
they come back, the legs will come out, and then they'll land.
That is awesome.
And then this is the smallest. It's one of the powerfulest, though. But this one's the almighty one. It has a diamond that powers it all.
That is so cool.
And then these are the two blasters on the front. These are the red lights and blasters on the back.
That is awesome.
And I even made them just out of scrap Lego I found.
That is too cool.
This one made out of scrap Lego, even though it's the coolest.
That is
And
so
these two are
awesome.
made out of scrap Lego too.
It's awesome, buddy.
Take a breath for a second.
Much better.
You've been running, trying to do it all.
Leave in the comments which one is your favorite. This one is a diamond powered one. This one's the Spider-Mobile. This one's the Powerful Mobile. Leave in the comments which one's your favorite. Bye for next time.
Trying to do it all, answering every need, standing through it all. But I see the way that you don't always show, and I just need you to know, no, you're enough. Even on hard days, even when it doesn't go your way, you've been enough from the very start. Even when it feels like you're falling apart. Give yourself grace. You're doing your best. You don't have to earn your rest. You're enough. You've always been moving in
always wonder if it's this dirty or if this is color that I am wiping off of these couches. Something else that I've been wanting to do is do these cup holders because they are very dirty. I'm pretty sure that's a broken up flower that's in here. So. This is my cleaner of choice right now, which honestly I've diluted it since we used like half the bottle already, and then I added water and some alcohol in there as well. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you part of our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.